All right, Jeff Lambert here, No Mess Roofing and Gutters Roof Rejuvenation. Save your roof, save your money. It is Monday, April 3rd, and we're out and about getting ready to do a roof wash. I ran out of chemical, so I'm going over to the supplier here in the Woodlands, Conroe area. It's called Woodlands PSI. They're awesome. They have great chemical, great products, storefront. They can build you a trailer, a wash machine, trailer machine. They can do anything. Great company. Woodlands PSI, big shout out to them. Definitely like them. And that's all I got to say about that. So I have to run over here to pick up the chemical and then run back over to the job, and I'll do a quick video to show you guys what it looks like. It's not it's an average size home. It's a $2,000 wash for us. It's the shingles are very new. Let me rephrase that. The shingles are not old, but they do have black algae on them, and they have the necessary oils in there. It's not dried out, they're pliable. So we got to wash the shingles, shampoo them, and then thoroughly rinse them to get all of the SH out of there. It's going to be, I mean, completely diluted, but still, you don't want that to crystallize on the roof. It'll leave white marks all over it. So you got to thoroughly rinse it. And I hear, excuse me, people all the time talking about that, you know, you don't go with a hot mix, and then you may have to treat the area once or twice. If it's brown, it'll rinse down. If it's black, you got to go back. That's how the saying goes. So when you put the chemical, the surfactant, and the SH on the roof, and you see it turning brown, then you're good to go. If you start rinsing, you start seeing black spots, you're gonna have to retreat it again. Just those areas. It's no big deal. It can be time consuming, and you have to do that, but you have to rinse. Otherwise, you're leaving the deposits on there. The SH will eventually crystallize and turn into like a salt form. It is salt, and that's not good to leave on your roof. And there's a lot of experienced pressure washing people out there, building machines. They've been doing this for years, and they're not roofers though. But I'm sure they've been doing it for years. And they say, hey, just let nature take its course. If it's gonna, just don't put a hot mix on there, leave it on. The sun will help to further clean the roof. And no, you don't want to do that, because you don't know how often, you don't know if the rain is coming or not. And yes, rinsing off is very time consuming and definitely cuts into the profit margin, but it's better than that than to dry out the roof. And the homeowners, they just don't know that. They just see that the roof is clean. They're not up on the roof. But give it 6 months, give it a year, and you're going to start seeing some excessive granular loss on your roof because it's dried out. So you have to rinse it off. Definitely rinse it off. Always rinse it off. Or every roofing company is going to tell you to rinse it off. You don't leave SH or sodium hypochlorite on your roof to dry. You rinse it. Doesn't matter how light the mix is. So that's what we recommend. Rinse it. And that's what everyone should do, is rinse the roof after they wash it, and you just lightly rinse it. That's all you do, and you'll be fine with that. It is more time consuming, it can make a mess. So our company's called No Mess, so we hold ourselves accountable for that. So we have the necessary tools. We have the slurry suckers, we have the dry vacs, we have the industrial vacs, wet vacs that will pump stuff, two stories high and over 120 feet away from the location that you're sucking. So it's an awesome machine, but they do cost money, and it does cut into your profit margin. But over time, highly recommend it, and it's well worth it. Tomorrow we're doing a couple rejuvenations, so that's good, and we'll do some videos on that. But that's all I got to say about that. I'll let you guys go. I'll splice this into the other one that I'm doing, instead of having so many videos of one property, and then time it so it goes faster. I've learned a lot this weekend on how to do videos, so hopefully you guys will like that. But always rinse a roof after you wash it. Never just let it sit. Now a lot of times they'll say, hey, well, rain is coming later on. Like, rain's coming Wednesday. I'm not going to let it sit up there till Wednesday to rinse it. You got to rinse it now. I'm going to keep being repetitive here. Rinse, 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 rinse a roof after you wash it, no matter what type of product you're using. All right? Jeff Lambert here. No Mess Roofing Company. No Mess Roofing and Gutters. Roof rejuvenation. Save your roof, save your money. I'm definitely not going to throw out things that aren't true in regards to that. I mean, everyone's got their opinion, but from a roofing perspective, you always rinse off the roof after you put SH on it. All right, I'll talk to you later.